Hello everyone, welcome back to yet another interesting video. In this video, we'll try to understand how we can turn on AI features in Tableau. So for that, what we need to do is, we need to sign on to our Tableau server. So this is my server, which I've signed in, and you should have, full access, or you should be a site creator, something like that. That is when you'll be able to see all of these options, like my user options, my group options, or jobs, or tasks, or site status, or settings. Only if you have the features, then only you will be able to play with this feature. So first, let us verify if we are able to access or not. So I'm just trying to go to my server, okay, and I'm trying to explore a particular workbook and see if we are able to use or not. So when I say AI feature, I want to turn on the Tableau agent that is there. Okay, so if you see here, we have Tableau agent. I want to use this to get some insights and all. So if I click on that, it is telling that AI in Tableau is not turned on for dashboard narratives. Okay, so first we need to turn on this. Likewise, if I go to my worksheet also and see here, this is being currently disabled, right? So we need to turn on this to be able to use this. So your organization might take a call if they want to use this or give you an access, but once you get this, it will get enabled here. So what we need to do is go to your server here. Okay, go to your site status. So you can also access a Tableau's another AI product called as a Tableau Pulse, which will help us in creating metrics. So it's a direct metric based thing. But if I'm going to settings here, so you have so many options here: general, authentication, bridge, extensions, and all. So mostly high probability that it will be taken care by Tableau admin team, but we'll have here. So under general tab, if you scroll down, you have all the options here. First is enabling Tableau Pulse. If at all you want to enable Tableau Pulse, you can just click, check mark this, and you will be able to use Tableau Pulse in your environment. But like say we want to use AI. Now, if you scroll down further, we have an option called as AI in Tableau. Okay, turn on generative AI functionality for Tableau features. Now, once you scroll down here, you have all of these options, Tableau Pulse, whatever is available here. So you can just click on this. See, you see, current feature is turned off, right? We need to turn on. So click on this, and you can click on turn on. I'm just turning on for all. So you can do it based on the case that you require, but I'm turning it on, and and so whatever you need, you can just click on turn on and click on save. So once you do this, what is happening is now AI features are enabled. Now we'll go and check. So I want to check in Tableau desktop, but you see currently it is not working. So once you do that, maybe you need to restart your workbook. So what I'm doing is, instead I'm just trying to create new, and also ensure that you need to log into that server so that those can whatever the changes that you have made can work in. So I'm just creating new workbook here. Let it open, and I'm connecting to normal sample superstore here. And now you see here it is enabled. Now if I click on this, we get a window here which we can use to develop, or whatever you want it to use for. Like say you want to ask some suggestions, or you want it to create some visualization. So we can tell like that, create uh, a bar chart with the total sales and a total profit per each year. So I'm giving a descriptive information here, and if I enter, it will start understanding what we are asking here, and based on that it will try to create or build a view for us. So this is again an AI feature of Tableau. So try to use this feature, and wherever you can leverage, learn from that, understand how the communication is happening. So it has created a view for us. Okay, so this is how you can play. So automatically two axes, one for sales and one for profit. Same like if at all you want to search in web. Okay, we will see there also. I'm going to explore. Same workbook I'm going. where we saw it was disabled. Now you see Tableau agent. If I click, uh, maybe I just need to reload here. So okay, this is not a dashboard. That's why it is not available. So maybe we can go here, or if at all I want to create new, we can go to this, and here also we can use now we can use it. So like this again, same option that we got in desktop, we are getting it. So we'll go to dashboard and see what we are getting here. Okay, so I'm clicking on this, and we can directly click on dashboard overview or get insight. So if I click on this, it will try to tell me what we have done on the dashboard. So regional sales dashboard. This dashboard highlights sales performance across 4 regions. So automatically it is giving us describing, narrative about what we have done in the dashboard. Maybe here we have a very simple view. It is okay, but when you have complicated information, you can use this to see how it is generating the insights. So that's about how we can use AI features in Tableau. Start using it. If you have any doubt, please comment in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, and have a good day.